We are at 30,055 Northwestern Highway in Farmington Hills, Michigan. We're in a medical building. We got some Otis elevators here. What's going up? That one's also here. This one's probably gonna reopen though. All right, it's going down now. Let's go down to the water level. So they call this G. Interesting. Here's the machine room, which is locked. Let's go to 2. I think there's another bank of elevators here based on the sign I saw when we were up on 2. All right, we'll send this one away. These are east elevators.
Hey, Renee, sorry I kept missing your calls. My Farmington office, which is where I'm at on Tuesdays, is like, it's in the basement of this medical building, and the service is, it's so atrocious. It's just like,
You want a 1?
1. Service in that basement is just like,
Yeah. Have a good one. I don't know if he was talking to me or if he was still on the phone. Yeah, I think he's on the phone. Now we'll go back down to LL and then we'll end it on 1. And that will be it.